Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. 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 Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
So everything looks delicious. They're not burnt, probably just because of the seasoning. As you can see, I took a piece off of one. The shadow is showing. And you can see they're very tender. I just took them out the oven, so they've been in there for about 2 hours and 15 minutes or so. And they're cooked perfect. Here is the goat ribs. And here's the other 5 short ribs right here. So this is my plate. This is what I'm going to eat right now. If I get hungry, I will go back for more. It is 8:03. So just want to show y'all how tender that is, and it's not burnt. It tastes so good. Look how that just fell off. So yeah, delicious. I will see y'all tomorrow. I got these from Costco's. I mean Sam's. Costco's over here do not sell the flank and short ribs. I don't know why. And these ribs are pork ribs from the Asian grocery market. So I'm gonna go eat, and I'll be back. Talk to y'all later.